Now, if you just recently bought a spaceship domain here and you want to add like DNS records on it, well, this one's pretty simple. Now, how do you exactly do it? Well, first things first is you want to go to spaceship.com, log in into your account. Now, at the very top here, you should see all products. You want to go and just click on it. Now, at the right or left side here, you want to look for domains. Go and click on it. And in here, you want to go and look for Domain Manager. Now, Domain Manager will not be at the center here. It's going to be at the right side here. So it's included in the app section. So click on Domain Manager. Now, once you click on Domain Manager, you should be able to see all the domains that you currently have. Now, in this case, you want to just click on the domain that you want to start managing here. And at the right side, you should see this panel here. And you want to go and just choose the option here that says Name Servers and DNS. Now the thing with this one is you can either change name servers or manage the DNS settings. So in here you want to click on the manage DNS settings here, click on advanced DNS, and in here you should be able to start adding your records. Now just put in care here that details that you'll be adding are correct. But in here you have the option to add your custom records, a record, C name, X record, and whatever you need. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.